Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a responsive portfolio with Adobe Portfolio. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe Portfolio website. Log in with your Adobe ID or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Adobe Portfolio dashboard. Click on the Create a New Project button to start your portfolio. Choose a layout style that fits your personal aesthetic. You can select from options like grid, masonry, or slides for showcasing your work. After selecting a layout, click on Create Project to proceed. Now, it's time to add your content. Click on Add Media and choose the images or videos you want to showcase. You can upload files directly from your computer or import them from Lightroom or Adobe Cloud. Once your media is uploaded, organize it by dragging and dropping the items into your desired order. If you'd like to add text descriptions, click on the Add Text button. Fill in your descriptions or project details to give context to your viewers. Next, customize your portfolio's design and settings. Click on Design in the menu to access layout options, colors, and fonts. Choose a color palette that complements your work and enhances your overall design. Adjust font styles to ensure readability and aesthetics align with your brand. Preview your portfolio by clicking on the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on how it looks in the preview mode. Once satisfied, click on Publish to make your portfolio live. You can set a custom URL for your portfolio to make it easily shareable. After publishing, continue to edit and update your portfolio as needed. Remember to regularly add new projects to keep your portfolio fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.